Hey everyone, in today's videos we will guide you through TubeBuddy versus VidIQ. Watch the video until the end to learn who is best. So let's get started. Let's compare the main features of both tools. Keyword research. TubeBuddy includes essential keyword features that provide search volume estimates, competition analysis, and optimization strength. Additionally, users can access valuable insights such as the number of videos in search results and monthly estimated search volume. Furthermore, TubeBuddy provides an insightful feature known as the interest over time chart, which allows users to track the trajectory of a particular topic to determine whether it is experiencing a consistent trend or declining in popularity. VidIQ offers comprehensive keyword research capabilities, providing users with an in-depth analysis of related keywords, matching terms that incorporate the specified keyword or phrase, and question-type keywords that are relevant to the search query. Video optimization. TubeBuddy provides advanced features such as bulk editing with A/B testing and an AI title generator. Users can also utilize the platform to identify compelling moments in their videos and convert them into shorts using the suggested shorts option. Additionally, TubeBuddy offers a thumbnail analyzer that predicts the performance of different thumbnails, as well as a chapter editor that enables viewers to easily reference specific parts of the video. On the other hand, VidIQ provides advanced features such as A/B testing and AI title generation, as well as AI video description generation and tag optimization capabilities. Additionally, users can benefit from a comprehensive channel audit that offers insights into the performance of their content, identifies areas for improvement, and provides actionable recommendations to optimize their channel for success. Competitor tracking. TubeBuddy provides a comprehensive analysis of competitors by utilizing a competitor scorecard that compares key metrics such as total views, subscribers, and uploads for both channels over their lifetime and the last 30 days. Additionally, TubeBuddy compares views, likes, dislikes, comments, and engagement rates for the most recent uploads and popular videos on each channel. This competitor monitoring is discreet, as TubeBuddy leverages YouTube's API to access publicly available data on viewers, subscribers, and uploads. On the other hand, the VidIQ Competitors tool identifies your YouTube competitors and provides insights into their successful content strategies. Competitors are creators in the same topic space as you, and analyzing their performance can help you identify effective approaches and areas for improvement. By studying the following metrics for competitor content, such as highest viewed videos, views over time to assess ongoing popularity, and subscriber growth influenced by premium content, you can make informed decisions to enhance your content strategy. Now let's take a look at the prices. Both TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer free plans with limited features. TubeBuddy paid plans starts from around $4.50 to $28.99 per month. On the other hand, VidIQ paid plans range from around $5 to $99 per month, with increasing functionality at each tier. So, who wins? TubeBuddy or VidIQ? I think VidIQ is more powerful than the TubeBuddy because it has detailed analysis and reports. Moreover, it helps with its AI features for writing titles and description. And there you have it. Feel free to check out the products by the links in our description. Thanks for joining me in this TubeBuddy versus VidIQ showdown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.